What is up, you guys? Ashley Elizabeth here with AHM Artistry, and officially welcome to fall. Welcome to the holiday season. Woo! Who is excited? I am so ready. Sorry about last week and missing a couple of uploads. I was in Hawaii, as you might have seen on my Instagram and Snapchat, but I am back and I have like a million ideas planned for this month and the next coming months, and it's just a matter of filming them. So I just got this in the mail and I am so excited about it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is the Too Faced Liquefied Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Too Faced actually calls this four-piece set the Sweet Smell of Christmas Christmas Treats Liquefied Lipstick Set. Comes with 4 of the melted matte liquid lipsticks, and each of them has a unique flavor as well as shade, obviously. These retail for $25 and you can get them at both Ulta, Sephora, and then Too Faced website. Probably Macy's too, probably whoever carries Too Faced. I haven't done all everywhere to scope it out, but everything's getting launched right now this week that I'm filming it. So if you would like to see these shades swatched both on my arm and on my actual lips, then you know what to do. Just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, first things first, if you are wondering what is on my lips right now, it is actually from this set, and it is the Hot Buttered Rum. So there's that already for you. Now, I was wearing Sugar Cookie yesterday to see how the formula was and everything, and if it was different from the regular melted mattes. Seems identical to the regular melted mattes. Now, truth be told, I am not 100% fan of the melted mattes. I seem to always get them in a palette set or whatever. I haven't actually purchased one singly by itself, because the formula, it's just not my favorite. It is a little more on the dry side, so I started off this morning with a sugar scrub, and then I actually used their Lip Injection Extreme on my lips a couple times today just to make sure my lips were nice and moisturized. Otherwise, they look super, super dry. So prepping the lips for these lip products are key. With that being said, you're probably wondering, well, Ashley, why did you buy this set? And it is purely because I am obsessed with all things fall, including pumpkin spice, sugar cookies, cinnamon, nutmeg, everything fall, spices and everything I'm obsessed with. So last year, Too Faced came out with the gingerbread man. That's right. Why does that sound so weird right now? Okay, they came out with the Melted Matte Gingerbread Man Liquid Lipstick. I didn't even realize that it came out until probably December, and at that point, every store that I went to was already sold out. I smelled the tester and I was like, oh my gosh, it was amazing. Honestly, the color wasn't the best shade for me anyway, so I just, after a couple stores, I was like, whatever, I don't need it. So I saw they were bringing that one out again this year, as well as Gingerbread Woman. Skipped that one again because the shade was very, very similar to Gingerbread Man, and then they had this set. I love that this is a very nude type themed set, and then you have the one pop of red in there. Now, I felt a little bit weird filming like a holiday video because this is technically a part of the holiday collection. It says Christmas on it, but I would say you might not want to sleep on this one because these shades scream fall. Like these, it's October. We need to start wearing these now, not waiting until December 25th to open it under the Christmas tree, and you're just like, okay, well, I can only wear these shades a couple more weeks until everybody starts wearing spring colors, and it's crazy. So if you can afford to treat yourself or treat one of your friends early, this color set and the smells are amazing. So that's why I'm doing it this early, just so you guys have the information out there and you can decide for yourself if you need it now or if you want to wait, or if you're not interested in it at all, whatever it is. Let's go ahead and swatch these puppies and apply them on my lips, and I will show you guys what the color range is. Here are the shades all swatched. Starting on this side, we have Pumpkin Spice, then we have Sugar Cookie, Cinnamon Bear, and Hot Buttered Rum. I think this is a gorgeous nude kind of, if you want to say lip palette almost to play with for the fall season. That is so pretty. So I just zoomed up a little bit so you can see my lips up close. Now, I've been wearing this shade for about, I want to say 45 minutes now. So you can kind of see what it looks like. It is full-on pigmentation, like full-on, as you can see with this application, and easy to swipe on, really easy to work with, but it does dry down like I mentioned. You can see even with prepping my lips really well, I do have a little bit of flaking. So if you're super dry and you insist on getting this like I did, make sure to prep your lips. If I was gonna be wearing this out for the day, I would pop a little bit of lip balm right in the center where my lips tend to get dry, and I'd call it a day, whatever. If you do a gloss on top, it looks beautiful, but it kind of, you know, it takes away from the matte look. So doing a little bit of lip balm there helps a little bit. And I'm sorry, I haven't even showed you how cute this packaging is yet. There's little hot buttered rum, little, you know, clip art thingies up top on the case, so cute. The smell of this one, oh, it's so amazing. If you don't like fragranced makeup products, obviously you won't like this, but if you like it, whoo girl, it smells so good. Yum, 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 yum. I don't really smell the smell now that it's been sitting on, but when you first put it on, it is heavenly. So first for my lips, this is the Hot Buttered Rum. Let's go ahead and move on to the next shade. Let's go ahead and stick with the nudes for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Sugar Cookie. Again, really cute little sugar cookies on there. Smells really good. Now, between smelling the different ones, I don't smell a huge difference, but this one is a little bit sweeter. More of a sugar undertone to it. Let's swatchy swatch. This is the one I was wearing yesterday and it was nice. The doe foot applicator on this is very good. You can get a very precise line with it, so I do like that as well. Here's a little rough job of the Sugar Cookie. So very nuded out, very easy, quick on the go lip for me. I know it's very light, but it's one of my favorite nudes that I've ever worn. It has a slight rosy pink undertone that's not too much. A lot of nude lip products will turn orange on me because just the way my body chemistry is, everything pulls orange like it's crazy, but this one doesn't. So I do like that a lot for my skin type. If you tend to pull orange, this one's doing pretty good. Yeah. Up next is Pumpkin Spice, my favorite. It has cute little pumpkin pies all over the casing, and I really wanted to do this one with my eye look, but it just didn't work. I just filmed this eye look for an Instagram video, so make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see this tutorial done. I use Too Faced products to do it, and I wanted to do this because I was doing a pumpkin spice eye look, but this color didn't work well with my eye look because it was way more orange than my eye was. So I did a more golden pumpkin spice. I probably should have went a little more orange, but I didn't, so it was already too late once I got to the lip part. Oh, the smell, you guys. Nutmeg and cinnamon on this one. So I guess they are pretty different, so I take that back. They are pretty different scents, but all, you know, all spicy sweets, just different undertones, and like some notes come more through than other ones, but oh my god. I can smell this one all day long, all day. All day. This one almost feels drier going on too. It might be in my head, but it's like almost a thicker consistency than the Sugar Cookie I just did. Ooh, Grandma's Couch. Yeah, another Grandma's Couch. Ooh, I know what shade this will go good with. This shade is so pretty and I cannot wait to wear it. Yeah, it doesn't really go with this eye look like I said, but it's not like a crazy pumpkin orange too. It's a very wearable, nude pumpkin orange. This will look so pretty, especially on darker skin tones. Oh my gosh. Wow, so pretty. And the last one we have here is Cinnamon Bear. Cute little red cinnamon gummy bears on the top. Ah, so cute. I keep forgetting to smell them. Oh. There's like barely any fragrance in this one. Maybe I need to like stir it up real good. That is very disappointing. I cannot smell anything on this one. And I thought this was gonna be the strongest. I was actually kind of worried about the cinnamon because sometimes, you know, cinnamon can be very burny. A lot of lip plumpers use it, but maybe they got scared too. I don't smell like gummy bear. I don't smell cinnamon. Huh. Bizarre. If you have this, let me know in the comments below if yours smells or not. I'm gonna have to go to a store now and smell their tester of it and see if maybe mine just is missing that fragrance component or not. Ooh, this color is so pretty though. So I can't hate on it that bad. Woo, buddy. Oh yeah. This is a Happy Christmas red, not a Crustacea red, you know? Wow. Ooh, I really like this red and I cannot wait to wear it for the holidays. OMG, I'm gonna pair like a full-on green glitter eye with this. And you just stay tuned for that because, hello. Honestly, maybe it's because the fragrance is like almost non-existent in mine, but this one feels creamier and not as drying as the other ones. So these each are a little bit different depending on the fragrance and the color. I don't know, very interesting. So here is the Cinnamon Bear. I just licked my lips a little bit and I can kind of taste the cinnamon, but I can't smell it. Weird. Weird. Coffee break. Let me know down in the comments below if this is a pass or a pay for you. Are you gonna pick up one of these little lip sets or are you gonna say, meh, not really? For me, do I regret buying this? Absolutely not. I am a sucker. I am such a sucker for fall themed things, Christmas themed things, and this has both the beautiful color palette and fragrance to go with, except the Cinnamon Bear. I have questions about that cinnamon bear. So Too Faced, what up with that? Ooh-wee. What up with that? Is that weird? Is that weird I would still buy it even though it's inconsistent? Maybe, but I don't care because I love it and that's what I wanted to spend my money on and I'm happy I did it. Okay, you guys, I gotta wrap this up because I think I'm the only one in the world that can turn a video that should be 3 minutes into 10 minutes and I probably have even longer footage that I edited out, so I tend to ramble. I get really into products, you know, and I'm a little bit detail oriented and I like to let you guys know all of the pumpkin spice latte about it. Oh, dad joke. All the tea on the products that I'm telling you guys about. I'm just trying to help you decide if you should spend your cold hard cash on products or just keep on walking because there's like literally new launches every day. It's insane. Do not ever feel like you have to buy everything, but the stuff that you do buy, I want you to be excited about because there are so many products to choose from, you know? Okay, this is going off a different tangent. If you are new to my channel and you want to subscribe, please go ahead and hit that little red button and join our fan band because we would love to have you a part of it. I post at least 3 times a week and I have a whole lot of fall fun coming your way, followed by Thanksgiving and Christmas stuff right after that. So strap on your seatbelts, grab your popcorn, grab your PSL, and get to watching. Thank you for watching today, and I hope everybody out there has a great, awesome, freaking lovely, spooky day.